Hi there, how are you? We are making a spicy curry with tender jackfruit today. The delicious curry is super simple to make and goes well with rice and bread. Shall we call it a vegetarian meat curry? Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting and easy recipes. Before cutting the jackfruit, make sure to cover your work surface with a newspaper. You'll require a large knife, a smaller knife and a brush and some oil. I'm using mustard oil. So here's the jackfruit. I'll slice the entire jackfruit. The gum has started oozing already. Brush the knife with some oil and cut these into quarters. Once they are all chopped up, use the smaller knife, brush some oil, to take out the rough outer skin. And we also need to take out this part. Repeat with all the other pieces. Finally, chop them into smaller pieces as required for the recipe. Use some oil to clean up the knives. Let's dry roast a few spices. 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. Black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, peppercorn and cinnamon sticks go in. Roast the spices till they release their aroma. That looks done. Turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. Once they have cooled down, just add the roasted spices into a mixie jar along with some ginger, garlic and green chilies according to your taste. A handful of roasted cashew nuts. Add in a little water and grind it to a fine paste. That's done and it smells wonderful. I've washed the jackfruit thoroughly and I'm using about 350 grams of it. I have some hot mustard oil here and I'll just fry the jackfruit. There's no need to move them around too much. Just turn them over. Once they are done, drain the excess oil and take them off the pan. Fry the rest of them. Heat some mustard oil in a cooker. I'm using the oil that was left over from the frying. I'll add in a bit more. Temper the oil with some cumin seeds. Add in some grated onion. I like to squeeze out the water. Cook the onion till they are brown. The onions look and smell done. So let's add in a spice paste that we had prepared earlier with the cashew nuts. This is the lifeline of this gravy, of this curry. So cook the paste along with the onions on low to medium heat. The masala looks glossy and it has started to release some oil. I have some chaat masala, Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric powder that I'll add into the cooker. Cook the spices briefly before adding in some tomato paste or tomato puree. I'm using the tin tomato puree. I'll add in about 1/3 cup of it. Cook again till the oil starts separating. Add in some sugar, just in case the tomatoes are a bit tart. Add in water, about a cup of it. Bring it to the boil. Now that it has started simmering, time to add in the fried jackfruit.
If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section.
Mix them up gently. Season with salt. Add in some more water. Make sure that all the pieces of the jackfruit are submerged in it. Put on the lid and let it cook till the jackfruits are tender. Now my cooker is on medium heat, and that's how you want it. After 2 whistles, I had turned off the heat. Now I'm checking it after about 5 minutes. That looks perfectly done. I just love the color. The jackfruit is perfectly cooked and soft. That looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Sprinkle some coriander leaves on top and serve it hot with rice or chapati.